We'll proceed with the problem number 2. An equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm side lies on one of its sides on HP. The lamina makes an angle of 45 degrees with HP, and one of its medians is inclined at 40 degrees to VP. Draw the projections. If you look at the data, it clearly shows the lamina is standing on the side, one of its sides, an equilateral triangle of 25 mm lying on one of its sides on HP. And the surface is inclined to HP at 45 degrees. And it also says one of its medians is inclined to VP at 40 degrees. That's what I have to explain. The data is quite similar to the previous problem, wherein the initial figure and the first step, where they have got 60 degrees the first problem, now it is 45 degrees. I will repeat those two figures, then explain how the median is inclined to VP at 40 degrees. We'll proceed to draw the answer. There's the triangular lamina, equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm side. Of 25 mm side. I'll just name it as A, B, C. Project to get the front view. I'm drawing here front view. B dash, A dash within brackets, that is C dash. Inclined at an angle of 45 degrees. Inclined at an angle of 45 degrees. The front view. The lamina is standing on the side. B dash, A dash, that is C dash. Project to get the top view. Draw the projectors to draw the apparent top view. Draw the projectors to draw the apparent top view. We have here A into B and then C, AB, join them, BC, then CA. Apparent triangle, because of the inclination at 45 degrees. Because of the inclination at 45 degrees, you get the triangle, apparent triangle. This is, of course, normally we dimension this, which is 25 mm side. A 25 mm equilateral triangle. Now, median. I'll consider this median here. Let us say, let me call this as P. I'll just call this as P. Here again, I'll call here median. I'll draw here median. Let me call this as P2. CP2 is the true length of the median, whereas CP is the apparent length of the median. I'll make the point very clear here. CP2 is true length of median. True length of median, whereas CP is the apparent length of median. Apparent length of median. Let us study the data now. It clearly says one of its median inclined to VP at 40 degrees. Now, I like to make one point very clear to you regarding this particular aspect of the sentence. Please listen to me carefully. A straight line capital AB is inclined to VP at an angle of 45 degrees. If you say a straight line capital AB inclined to VP at 45 degrees, that 45 degrees represents because the straight line length is given 80 millimeter, let us say 80 millimeter, the 45 degrees is the true angle, fine. If I repeat this, if I change the sentence like this, the top view of a straight line AB is inclined to VP at 60 degrees. Top is a small letter AB, apparent length, inclined to VP at 60 degrees means it is beta angle. When you use the word top view, it refers to beta angle. When you don't use the word top, it is a true angle. So what is given here, the median is inclined at 40 degrees to VP. 40 degrees is nothing but a phi angle. It is a phi angle which is 40 degrees given in the data. Now, I cannot shift the apparent length. This is an apparent length. This is the true length, and that is an apparent length. Apparent length cannot be shifted for 40 degree angle. We have to find the beta angle and then shift. We have to find the beta angle and then shift. Now, I'll just give a procedure how to draw the beta, how to find the beta angle, how to shift the figure to the beta line. Draw here a 40-degree line. This is a 40-degree line. Draw here a 40-degree line. That's the 40-degree line. You measure CP. You measure CP on the 40-degree line. Measure CP or measure the true length. Sorry, CP2. You measure here CP2 true length. That is P2, and draw here a locus line. Draw here a locus line. That is the locus line. Measure CP, the apparent length. From here you cut off here CP, the apparent length. That is the CP, apparent length. You now agree with me, this angle is a beta angle. This angle is a beta angle. That is the true length. I have drawn the locus to the apparent length, cut with the apparent length, then you get the beta angle. Beta angle is greater than the true angle, that is 40 degrees. Reproduce this apparent triangle on CP. Reproduce the apparent triangle on CP. That means for CP, you draw here a perpendicular. For CP, you draw a perpendicular. Measure PA and PB. Mark here PA and then PB. We get here, measure PA and then PB here. PA and PB. Join them in order. Join them in order. We get the triangle being reproduced. We get the triangle being reproduced. You get the triangle being reproduced. So this is a triangle, median, reproduced. Now you project and get the front view. Project and get the front view. Draw the projectors from all the corners A, B, C. Draw the projectors. Draw here the locus lines. Locus lines. You find C and C intersect here. C dash, A and E. A dash, B and B. That is B dash. You join them in order. A, B, then B, C, then C, A. A, B, B, C, C, A, apparent triangle. So this is the one, this is why we have found the apparent beta angle, because the given angle being a phi angle, which is a true angle. Now, I am going to give a small note for you. A note for you. The first one, the plan of the median is inclined to VP. The second one, the top view of the median is inclined to VP. The third one, the median appears to be inclined to VP. I just made an underline of plan, top view appears. Whenever you find these sentences in the problem, plan, top view appears, do not find beta angle. Given angle itself is beta. No need to find beta angle. What is given itself is beta. In this case, it did not say plan of the median inclined. It said the median inclined to VP. That's why I took the angle phi. From the phi angle, I found the beta. Then the figure shifted for the beta angle, got the final figure. That's why you should find out whenever the true angles are given, if beta angle is necessary, you find the beta angle. When you find such kind of wordings, no need to find the beta. Directly take the angle and proceed with the answer. The final I can say is the triangular lamina standing on the side. One of the median inclined to VP at 40 degrees. With the beta angle, I could make the construction and got the final front view.